In this video, we'll explore some of the benefits of using Jasper to help you create content, whether for your website, blog, or a wide range of other mediums. But first, you're going to want to use the special link in the description of this video to claim your free 10,000 word credits. Simply visit AIWritingGenerator.com and click the purple Get Started Free button. Jasper is a content creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you write better, more engaging content. If you're a copywriter, web designer, or blog author, then you know how important it is to create high-quality content that engages your audience. But creating great content can be a challenge, especially if you're short on time or struggling with writer's block. That's where Jasper comes in. Jasper is a content creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you write better, more engaging content. With Jasper, you can get help with brainstorming ideas, editing your work, and even generating new content from scratch. Now let's explore some of the benefits of using Jasper to help you create content. First, brainstorming ideas. One of the hardest parts of creating content is coming up with ideas in the first place. If you're suffering from writer's block, Jasper can help by suggesting topics and ideas for your next piece of content. All you have to do is enter a few keywords, and Jasper will generate a list of potential topics for you to write about. Next is increased efficiency. One of the best things about Jasper is that it can help you create content more quickly and efficiently. This is because Jasper does all the heavy lifting for you in terms of research and analysis. All you need to do is input a few keywords, and Jasper will generate a list of relevant topics that you can write about. Additionally, Jasper can help you organize your thoughts and ideas so that they flow together smoothly and logically. One of the best benefits of Jasper is using its abilities to generate new content. If you're really struggling to come up with new ideas, then Jasper can also generate entire pieces of content for you from scratch. All you need to do is enter a few keywords and provide some basic information about what you want your article or blog post to be about, and Jasper will do the rest. Whether you're looking for ideas or want someone else to do the writing for you, Jasper is an AI-powered tool that can help make content creation easier and more efficient. Best of all is enhanced engagement. In order for your content to be successful, it needs to be engaging. Luckily, Jasper can help with this as well. By analyzing the information you provide, Jasper can help you create content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, Jasper strives to make sure that all the content it produces is visually appealing so that readers will actually want to read it. I know, this sounds incredible. If you're looking for a way to improve your content creation process, then look no further than Jasper. This AI-powered platform can help with everything from brainstorming ideas to generating new content from scratch. So why not give it a try for free? Use the special link in the video description for 10,000 free word credits and a free trial as a thank you for watching this video. Get started today for free and see the difference Jasper can make in your writing productivity.